lack of money affects your mental health, and it makes it hard for you to act discipline in every area of your life. Lack of money affects your mental health. You got stuck in a specific job or a career environment that you don't know why you can't get out. Because you spend all your incomes, you spend all your earnings after you collect them. You spend everything. You don't build wealth like that. You don't build wealth like that. You don't get rich like that. The first and the only resources you have to build wealth, to build business, to build a career is your income. The best and the only one you have now to build wealth, for me to build resources, for me to build connection, for me to build businesses. Let me start with the business, right? Let me start with business. For me to be able to build all those things, the only thing I have is my income. So I have two income. I have one side hustle that I do online. I run Facebook ads and I do interior. Those are my hustle. And I have income that is coming from somewhere. If I combine all this income together, I will be able to build wealth by investing it. I don't mean by you literally coming to a particular platform and invest. And we have a lot of them. You can actually live in Nigeria and invest in American companies. You can actually live in Nigeria and invest in other African companies that are doing extremely very well. But you know what? You spend all those salary, you spend it on mundane common things. Of course, I know you have things you want to do with money, but there's supposed to be some part of the money that go into savings. No, let's forget about investment now. Let's come with savings. Like, you cannot successfully invest in any platform for a long period of time without you practice how to save effectively. This is my journey to investing. I'm not expert here, but I can tell you, learning about how financial market works, how to invest and save effectively, even via any 20,000 naira a day, that is about less than $10 a month rather, because it's only in Nigeria you can earn 20,000 naira in a month. That is way too low. But even if you are earning 20,000 naira a month, you can save and invest from it. You can save 1,000 naira. Yeah, you can still invest 2,500 naira, which is equivalent to about $2 now. Imagine you save those every month for the next 12 months and you leave it for 5 years. Come on, calculate it. What I'm trying to say now, guys, is you all got stuck in the career job you are doing now and you don't know why you can't get out because of these two things. First thing, you don't know how to save money. You need to accept that. Of course, the inflation rate is high, the economy is not very fine, the current government policy is not favorable to the individual citizen of Nigeria or of any country. Yes, it is. It will ever be. But how are you going to get out from it? Because if you can't save, I said again, you cannot invest effectively if you don't know how to save effectively. The second part is you spend every money that comes. I was doing very well last 3 years doing a particular hustle for some guys. I was doing it online for them. I was actually managing one of their email lists and all that. I know what I do with this money. I spend everything because I thought this is just side hustle now. This is just money coming extra so I can flex, enjoy myself, carry my guys out and all that. This is exactly what you are doing now. You spend everything thinking you are still very much younger because you are in your 20s, you are in your 30s. So you don't know how to save your income and you spend lavishly. Two things that is affecting you now. Because for every salary you are collecting, there's supposed to be a portion of it that is going into savings. Like, it's not going to general savings, it's going into savings for the future. Let's start with that. So if you want to know how to save, there's a lot of platforms you can use to save effectively in Nigeria. There are a lot of apps that do that and they have integrity. There's a lot of fintech apps across everywhere now that you can save with those apps and they have integrity. Your money is saved with them. I just think I should give this out today, guys. Like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and see you in the next one.